Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video we are going to learn about how we can import assets inside our Unity from our PC. So we are here on our Unity game editor. We are just going to right click inside our assets panel and we are just going to click import new asset, and from here we are going to browse the asset where we have stored it. So I just want to import this particular FPX file inside my Unity, so I'm just going to select it and I will click import. This would take a few time and import my asset. So here comes my asset. Okay, another way of importing the asset is that you are going to just open up the folder where all the assets are placed, and you can just select all of them and you can drag drop it inside your Unity like this. This is an easy way of importing the assets. So this would also take a few time and import all your assets inside your assets panel. So here comes all the assets which we wanted to import inside our Unity. So this was the simple trick how to import the assets inside your Unity from your PC. I hope you all liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you really liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Prime Guide. Stay tuned with us for more Unity content. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram channel as well. Until next time, this is me signing off. Allah Hafiz.